Hi guys, hope you're well. This is me, Zia Tahi. So here I am at my home. Today I'm starting making a very short video. So just a couple of weeks ago I decided to basically buy some material to do some kind of paintings. So as you can see, I bought a couple of these ones. So this is from Holcroft. So the brand is called Holcroft. It's a high flow acrylic. So I'm actually trying to make some kind of abstract landscape artwork. In other form it's called the powering art. So I've been watching a lot of videos recently on YouTube,